time to take the face mask off because it's lunchtime. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm at work and I decided to pick myself up some pizza Schmizza. So I'm going to show you what we got. I did not get pizza. I did get a meatball sandwich, which is called a Schmizza, which is meatball, their bread. I did get peppers added. I added some crushed pepper on there as well. So we got that there on there. And fries, or chips, sorry. Got the marinara dipping. And we got Cajun tots. So, some marinara to dip the tots. My phone may die too, but let's freaking get into this. Let's put some chips on here. And I think I need to fold it. I got a fork in case it's too big. Drinking on a Powerade today. Red. Let's try and get a real good bite. Man, I don't even know where to start. My phone's about to die. So if it dies, I'm completely sorry. I can't get any of the meatball, so we'll just poke at it. It's hot. You can see the steam, so let's go. This bread is really good. I paid $12 for the sandwich and meatball. And I paid like $4 for the tots. So I didn't record with my sister last week because Sophia hurt her wrist, I believe. So we're gonna record a video this Friday. It'll be a pizza video, I think. Still, she may change it up. I don't know. But if you guys have any questions, I think we're doing a Q&A. So if you guys want some of your, if you guys have any questions for her or I, let us know. Let us know. We will be doing a Q&A. We got some customers here. There might be a bidding war on a truck. We love bidding wars. This is a lot of food. These are supposed to be like Cajun tater tots, but I don't really taste it. They just taste like regular to me. So I don't know. I'm just making a mess. Just making a mess at work. I love red Powerade. Better than red Gatorade. I'm telling you. There's something about it. Something about Gatorade that I don't like. I prefer Powerade. And no, it's not because of the price. This bread is dank. So is the meatball. It's 5:09, and I'm basically eating my dinner. I don't know if I'll eat tonight. Man, I'm full. I don't want to get too bloated. Still at work. Probably save the rest of this for tonight. I appreciate you guys clicking on this video. Thanks for joining me for lunch at work. Look out for the video with me and my sister. Also, please give us some questions that we can answer in her video. That would be awesome. Make sure that you hit the like button, and I will see you guys next time with another mukbang. God, I didn't even finish hardly any, but I ate all the meatballs. I'm full. Until next time, guys.